So hello everyone, my name is Ruchak Vyas and today I am going to demonstrate my project on banking system. So what we can do in this project is like we can handle transaction between multiple user. So this is the home screen of the application and initially we have two options here. Either create your account or log in into existing account. Since like I want to demonstrate everything from the beginning, so I'll show you by creating account. So first I'll create two account and then we will handle transaction between them. So one thing is that it is not limited to two account only, we can have multiple accounts, but for the time being I am just showing between the two accounts. Let's fill up the entries. We are creating new account. I'm just giving random details. Yeah, so here one thing to notice is that your username should always be unique, otherwise it won't allow us to create account with the same username that already exists. So here it act as a primary key. So if you give like a username which already exists, so it won't create your account. So every time you create your account, your username should be unique. And also that I'm showing the password right now because when I log in into our account, I will show that there is a validation check. If you give the wrong password, it won't allow us to log in into your account. So yeah, the username thing you will understand more clear when I will create second account. So let's submit. Yeah, so Rochak123 account got created with 50,000 initial deposit. Yeah, so it was initial cash deposit to Rochak account, amount was 50,000 and total balance now is 50,000. So let's create another account. Yeah, so Rochak123 already exists, so it will not allow us to create with the same username because username is differentiator in like banking account system in my application. So let's check. Yeah, so it gives that user already exists with this name, so we need to give different username for that. Just fill up with random values right now. And yeah, so Rohan123 account got created with initial amount 80,000. Yeah, so same passbook entries of cash to Rohan, amount 80,000, total balance is 80,000. So let's log in because now what we will do is like handle transaction between Rochak account to Rohan account. Let's say like I want to transfer $1,000 from Rochak account to Rohan account. So first I need to log in into Rochak account where I can send money to Rohan account. So yeah, let's just log in into my account. And yeah, the why I didn't hide the password because I wanted to show the validation check. So here I put the wrong password. The password was 1234, so it won't allow us to log in into my account unless we give the right password. Yeah, so now everything is correct. So yeah, we just logged into Rochak's account, I mean Rochak123 account. So here current balance is 50,000 and just send money. So first we need to give the username of our account, then to the person we are sending to, and the amount we want to send is let's say $1,000. So yeah, so transaction was successful, and here also we need to give proper details, otherwise transaction would not like proceed. It would give us the validation error. So yeah, so by Rochak account to Rohan account, the amount was 1,000, and since we are logged in into Rochak123 account, so from there $1,000 got deducted. So it is the passbook of Rochak123 account. So let's check in Rohan account whether he got $1,000 or not. Yeah, so it got updated by $1,000. It was initially 80,000, now it is 81,000. So let's check in passbook. Yeah, so again passbook got updated by total balance of 81,000, amount is 1000, and it was delivered to Rohan account by Rochak account. So yeah, this was about my project. Again, it's not limited to only two users. We can have multiple users and then have transactions among them. So yeah, this was it about my project. Hope you liked it. Thank you.